Hello, my name is Steve Simmons. I'm the owner of S.F.S Guns and Ammo in beautiful downtown Advance, Missouri. And I have a selection of guns to pick from. I'm also a gun dealer of many different kinds. I can order you any kind of gun you need. I have pistols, rifles, shotguns, old war relics, all kinds of different things. I also do the gunsmithing on them. We're a full-service gun shop with very friendly service. And we're open between the hours of 10 and 5, Monday through Friday, till noon on Saturday. But if I can come in on Sundays or any time, all you gotta do is give me a call at 573-722-3400 is my shop number, or you can call my cell phone at 321-8376. I'll be more than happy to come in and do whatever I can for you.